What is up, everybody? Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Now, as promised, we're going to be taking out the DJI Mavic Mini today for its first official flight. Oh my gosh, I almost tripped. That would have been bad. Yeah, so we're taking its first official flight out today first official flight on camera. Sorry about that. Yeah, you guys didn't get the very first one. I wanted to make sure everything I was doing was correct. So, no sketchy clips or any kind of breaking of anything didn't happen. So I guess what we're gonna do right now is gonna go hop in the car, get out of here and go get some good flight footage, and I guess we'll see what else we get into. Alright, so we're heading to a really cool spot right now where I like to get some film at, and it's just got some pretty cool scenery. There's not like a crazy amount around me unless I go kind of far out, but like, this is the best I'm gonna do right now. But somebody I want you to meet. This is my amazing girlfriend, Madison.
Hi!
So right now we're heading up there, and we'll see when we get there. Oh shoot, I thought I was like having to go to or something. Alright, so we have made it safe and sound to the spot. We are at Chestnut Ridge Park. It's a very nice park here in Buffalo, New York, where we are, our whereabouts. So right now we're gonna head out to this field because it's a nice open spot, so I'm not really crashing into anything, which I don't think I will. This thing, I'm pretty good right now, I guess. But yeah, so let's go head over there, get this drone in the air, see how we do. Yeah, the key would probably be a good idea. Alright, so we're in this big open field. I think like over there-ish or so, or maybe over there, I don't know. There's like a big hill, and then like you can kind of see the city from all the way up here. Hopefully the sound and everything sounds okay right now, because I know I don't have an external mic on my camera right now. I'm kind of just filming internally with it. So hopefully that sounds okay. If it sounds bad, I'm really sorry. I'm getting a mic soon. So yeah, kind of bear with me with that. So let's get this beautiful case opened up, like I said before. Beautiful thing, yeah. Alright, so a super cool feature that I love about this is that like it returns back to your home. So I kind of took it out kind of far. You'll see it in the clips, but pretty sweet. Like, this is the coolest thing ever. Not even joking. Alright, so right now we're gonna return it to home and see how close it comes back. Go home. So right now it's returning to home, but it's going up though. Like it's going to like another planet or something. Oh wait. Okay. Okay, if this lands on this box, that will be crazy. way, it looked like it was going inside a little bit. That's alright, just drop for me. I mean, close enough. Wow.
That was really close.
Yeah. Alright, so this isn't the instructional video on how I'm going to be using this and how everything works. This is just kind of mostly just like a run around, my first startup, my first flight. And right now, honestly, like, I absolutely love this thing. It was super easy to use, super easy to start with. So right now I'm just going to take off again. And I'm going to kind of go through a little bit more of the different modes it has. There's a mode P, there's a sport mode, and there's a cinematic mode. So let's go through like all of them, pretty much, yeah. Alright, so right now we're in mode P. So I would guess that this is probably the practice mode. Seems kind of fairly slow, but quick, so it's jerky. Nah, not jerky. The movements are just, they're so quick with this drone, but they're so smooth. Like, you cannot tell at all that this thing would be flying right now. It's almost like it's on a non-stop gimbal, which it is on a gimbal, but it's just so cool to me. Alright, so right now we're in P mode, which we already have the flight for, so we're going to put in the sport mode. This is the high speed. So let's see how nice this thing, we're going to go shoot up. Oh yeah. It's just so crazy how stable it is, especially in the sport mode. Like, that thing's hauling in the air right now, and it's like you can barely tell that it's moving so quick. It's just like, that's how good the camera is with this. And this is not a sponsored video by any means at all, but like, if you guys are in the market for getting a drone that's completely just not too out of your price budget or way too high, this is definitely the way you want to go, the DJI Mavic Mini. Definitely love this thing, and once again, very easy to use. This is my first time flying a drone ever, so yeah. Now let's click the mode one more time. We're going to go to cinematic, well, Cinesmooth, mode C. So this mode, when you kind of turn it as fast as you can, or as fast as you want, it kind of slows down and makes sure like the camera is nice and steady and stable, so you have no wobble to it, even though there is none in any of the modes. So honestly, I don't see a big difference with the cinematic mode compared to like mode P or mode S, which I get where it's saying it's flying fast, but that's about it. So we're putting this thing away now. Unfold side 1. Fold side 2, and then these just push right in, and then bam, it goes right back in the case. Now I did not turn mine off, but to turn off, you just click the button once on the bottom, then hold it down, then it's off. Especially when you see that light that's not blinking anymore. And it also comes with a very nice little thing so your camera gimbal is not getting damaged at all. Fits on like so. And there you go, that's your DJI Mavic Mini. Alright guys, now everything is in here like so. It was really awesome to fly this, especially like kind of more open, because the first flight I did was just only in my backyard, and I didn't really want to take it too far. Plus, the zone I'm kind of in is a little bit sketchy, and it's kind of near an airport, not too far away, so I really didn't want to mess around with how high that I took it up, because I've heard some stories about it can maybe get lost, so I didn't really want that to happen on my very first flight. So it was very good, awesome. Far flight. It came back home like it should, And on that, thank you guys for watching this video. We have so much more drone content to come. This is going to kind of be the main focus around this channel. There's going to be a lot of cool things that I go do, or a lot of cool things that we go do, and we're going to definitely have the drone footage and the drone out there just filming away. So if you like this content, you know, smash the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. It means a lot to me. But yeah, if you're enjoying the content, just thank you for watching. So on that one, we are out.